The high-pitched buzz of tools and the scent of fresh-cut timber signal the start of another day in the workshop. Today we're exploring the fine craft of joinery, where raw wood becomes something truly purposeful. Ever felt chills from a woodworking video? Drop a comment if that intro gave you goosebumps. Working with trees isn't just labor, it's responsibility. One mistake can have lasting consequences, so let's put safety first every time. That excavator isn't just a machine, it's a game changer. Fitted with a massive hydraulic splitter, it doesn't cut wood, it obliterates it. Each log is turned into perfect firewood in seconds, like it's slicing through butter. No axes, no chainsaws, just pure hydraulic force doing the heavy lifting. It handles pieces so large they'd stop most machines cold, and it doesn't even flinch. Watching it work is like watching raw power meet engineering elegance. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency. No missed cuts, no wasted effort. Every movement is optimized to save time, reduce fatigue, and boost productivity. Whether you're clearing a site or stocking up for the winter, this setup makes the job effortless. It's the modern lumberjack's best friend. Smart, powerful, and brutally efficient. Now that's working smarter, not harder. The Valmet 840.3 is built to handle the roughest jobs. Strong, stable, and designed for the challenges of forestry work. But even the toughest machines can meet their match when the terrain turns against them. Here, deep in the mud, it's brought to a standstill. Its massive tires, usually so capable, spin with no grip, caught in ruts too deep to escape without help. It's a clear reminder, in the forest, it's not just about raw horsepower. It's about reading the land, adapting and preparing before the first move is made. Recovery from a situation like this isn't quick. It requires experience, coordination, and often specialized equipment. One wrong decision, and you risk not just losing time, but damaging the machine itself. So the next time you see a beast like the 840.3 in action, remember even giants have weak spots. And in forestry, success doesn't come from power alone. It comes from planning. The Timber Pro isn't just built for power, it's built for precision. Every cut it makes is clean, sharp, and intentional. It glides through thick trunks like it's reading the grain of the wood before it even touches the blade. There's no hesitation, no second passes. Just smooth, controlled motion from start to finish. Its balance is what makes it exceptional. Not too heavy, not too light, just the right combination for stability and maneuverability. That kind of harmony doesn't happen by accident. It's engineered, tested, refined. Watching it work is like watching craftsmanship in motion. It's a reminder that in forestry, as in life, power means nothing without precision. And when both come together like this, well, you can't help but admire it. The Track Artilio ST130 isn't just a sawmill, it's a weapon of precision. Fitted with a massive 1,300mm blade and a powerful hydraulic lift, it makes clean, consistent cuts like clockwork. Logs roll in rough and come out as flawless planks, ready for serious builds. Every motion is deliberate. From the grip to the blade engagement, the machine moves like it knows exactly what it's doing. There's no shaking, no hesitation, just raw mechanical confidence. Whether you're milling for framing, furniture, or firewood, the ST130 delivers industrial-grade performance at every turn. Its design minimizes waste, boosts output, and keeps the process smooth and safe, even under heavy load. And let's be honest, watching that blade slice through thick timber with surgical accuracy, that's not just efficient, it's pure satisfaction. The Racco RG80 doesn't just clear land, it takes command. With its high-torque engine and precision-cutting head, it slices through dense vegetation and stubborn stumps like they're nothing. Every move is deliberate, every rotation perfectly controlled. A seamless blend of raw force and technical finesse. No terrain is too rough, no obstacle too tough. Just watch as it strips the ground clean, effortlessly and methodically. Isn't that just deeply satisfying? Cylindrical milling is a technique often used to give timber a clean, uniform look. It removes the bark and outer layers, shaping the log into a smooth, symmetrical cylinder that's perfect for fences, beams, or decorative structures. The result is undeniably beautiful, but that polished appearance comes with a hidden risk. By shaving off the outer layers, the sapwood and bark, we expose the heartwood, the core of the tree. While heartwood is strong, it's also more vulnerable when left unprotected. Moisture can seep in, fungal spores can settle, and over time, what was once a pristine piece of wood can begin to rot from the inside out. That's why finishing and sealing aren't just nice extras. They're essential. A good sealant forms a barrier, locking out water, dirt, and airborne threats. It stabilizes the wood, prevents warping, and extends the life of the material by years, even decades. Skipping this step is like building a house and leaving the windows open in a storm. No matter how clean the cut or how perfect the shape, it's the finish that protects the craftsmanship. So if you're going to mill it, make sure you seal it, because true beauty doesn't just come from shape, it comes from endurance. The Bell 6000 is a compact yet powerful forestry machine, built for efficiency in tighter, more demanding environments. Its robust design and reliable engine make it ideal for processing logs quickly and consistently. When space is limited, but performance can't be compromised, the Bell 6000 gets the job done, with precision and ease. The Bell 8000 is a true powerhouse in the field. Designed for high-output work, it transforms heavy timber into firewood with incredible speed and consistency. Its 125 horsepower engine delivers both strength and stability, making it a trusted ally for large-scale operations where performance is non-negotiable. Some trees damaged by storms may look stable, but their roots tell another story. That's why keeping people out of hazard zones is non-negotiable. Talk about a comeback. That root ball isn't done yet. The tree may be down, but its roots are putting on one last show. As the worker slices through the trunk with surgical precision, you can feel the tension building. Their root mass shifts and crashes down with a force you wouldn't expect from a lifeless tree. What separates an average trucker from a pro? Awareness, quick thinking, a sixth sense for the road ahead. And when it all clicks into place, boom, that's how it's done. Forget heavy machinery. Sometimes just a car, a rope, and smart leverage can outmatch a stubborn stump. One good pull, and boom, that thing's gone. The 1270G, paired with the H425 processor, is more than just a forestry harvester. It's a precision instrument. Designed for efficiency and control, it operates like clockwork in even the most challenging environments. Each movement is calculated, each cut optimized. From standing timber to perfectly processed logs, the system works in unison to maximize yield while minimizing waste. It's not just about power, it's about finesse and smart harvesting. And while it dominates the forest floor, it does so with the environment in mind. The 1270G sets a new standard in sustainable forestry, blending technology, responsibility, and unmatched performance. The AHWI RT800 isn't here to play nice. This is a purpose-built mulching monster, made for absolute domination in land clearing, forestry, and vegetation control. With its high-powered engine and reinforced steel tracks, it tears through dense undergrowth, brush, and even full-grown trees like they were paper. At the heart of the RT800 lies its signature mulching head, a heavy-duty rotor armed with massive teeth. Once it spins up, there's no turning back. Thick stumps, roots, and vegetation vanish in seconds, ground into fine mulch right where they stand. No need for hauling, no need for second passes. But it's not just brute force. The RT800 is engineered for control. With precise maneuvering, a low center of gravity, and responsive hydraulics, it navigates uneven terrain like it's reading the ground. Slopes, debris, loose soil, nothing slows it down. And while the work looks violent, the result is clean, efficient, and oddly satisfying. What once looked like an overgrown mess is reduced to smooth, level mulch, ready for replanting, construction, or fire breaks. Whether it's reclaiming lost land or prepping for the next big project, the AHWI RT800 gets it done. Fast, clean, and with zero hesitation. Now that's what we call turning chaos into order. That wraps it up for today's build. In a world of noise and chaos, precision still speaks the loudest. Until next time, let the machines do the talking. See you in the next video.